Hi, to change volume case function on your iPad 10th generation, let's go into settings first. Here on the left side, you will need to scroll till you find this Sounds tab, select it, and after that, you'll see this Ringtone and Alerts tab and option Change with buttons. Mine is disabled right now, so when I'm pressing the volume up or down buttons, I can control the actual media volume, right? But if I enable this change with buttons, now I will adjust the volume of ringtone and alerts. So let me show you. I'm gonna press the buttons again, which are located on the top of the iPad in my case, because I hold it in this landscape view. So I'm pressing the buttons, and now I'm adjusting the volume for ringtone and alerts. Here you can check it in this tab. And by the way, you can see this cute animation on the top of the screen when you are pressing the buttons, which will help you to understand whether you're increasing the volume or decreasing. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.